Girl, look at my finger. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and guess what I have this time? I have a new box from Influenster, and this is their Dazzle Box. So I don't know if I've mentioned to you how you go about getting Influencer's boxes, but like when you go onto the app, you know, they'll ask you a series of questions, the things that you like. You know, me, I'm usually into like hair, skin, you know, makeup. Like, I know how to put it on, but whatever. And I think the main thing with Influencer is to participate with the community, the forums, and doing like their reviews and things like that. So I've done that, and like periodically I'll get like an email. They'll say, hey, you know, you've been picked for this particular box, and do you want to opt in? I'll say yes, and then they'll send it. So they sent this one. The box opens this way, and as you open it, it has this little thing that says Dazzle Voxbox, and on the back it tells you what they have. So in this particular Clairol Jazzing Semi-Permanent and Temporary Hair Color, 3 ounces, and this color is Racy Wine. Okay, never seen this one before. Wait, I've never seen this color before, but I've seen them in beauty stores before. In here is this, which is the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal, and it said that it is at 5.5 ounces, which is like $5.99, and if you get the 14 ounce, it's $7.99. I know you can get this at your local drugstore, and it has coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter in it. I've never heard of, you know, a product that would have coconut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter in it. That was cool. Before he comes, I have another one, which is the Clairol Professional Eye Thrive Keratin Rescue Split In Repair. And at 5.1 ounces, this sells for $9.99. Dry, damaged hair with smooth and frizz-free. Come on, go Larry, because I mean, I swear it never fails. It never fails. It really doesn't. He just needs to come. I don't understand him. Like, it's like everybody, we're going to have puppy time from now on, right? Puppy time, right? He's my sweetheart. He is my sugar booger, right? He wants to sniff this. There's poor thing. Okay, so those are the things that I got in my Influencer box. I just think that the whole program is really cool. That they, you know, send you things for you to, you know, review. And I'll probably be posting some of that stuff on like my Instagram or like on Twitter and maybe on my Facebook account, things like that. So people would, you know, have a chance to see it, and I'll try them and see how they work. One of my previous videos, I tried Tattoo Junkee, and I tried their metallic mini lip kit. So I thought it was only fair that I get their matte mini lip kit. So this was, there are 5 in here. Last time I only did 4 because somebody took the lippy and ran away. I ain't gonna say no names though. So this is their matte formula, and it comes in, wow, look at these numbers. Okay, so this one comes in Grudge, Vixen, Happy Hour, Rebel, and Sugar. So open this one up. Really kind of skeptical about any kind of lippies, but since I went out and found the metallic one, I'm like, ugh, I gotta at least try the matte. So this is their matte, and this is how it comes out. And if I do remember, you open it here, and there's a little lip at the bottom right here that you pull out. When you pull it out, it gives you access to your lippies. Let's try and keep all 5 of them together. Make sure that my dog doesn't take them, okay? And so my lips are already primed. I am prepped and ready this time. So here are our 5 lippies, and I am going to go ahead and just try them on and see if I can try them and get them off. It says, you know, start with clean, dry lips. Shake the paint well. Using the wand, apply the lip paint. Do not touch lips together until the paint is dry. It's the same directions that they give you with the metallic. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and let them dry because I really want to see how it looks once it dries. Okay, so they have these pictures here on the back, and I want to see if it lives up to it. So I think that it will be only fair to start with the lighter colors and then work down. He keeps coming back. Wait! Listen, you gotta love your pets, you really do. And I think the way you love your pets plays a direct reflection on the type of person you are. I love him, and when he comes for attention, I just stop what I'm doing and give it. So now that I have given him his personal time, let's get into these lippies. The first one we're gonna try, which is the lightest one, is Sugar. And let's see how this works out. Let's check out the duffel, of course, which I expect them to be all the same. I'm kind of nervous because they're matte. It's just like, oh my god. Okay, let's see. Okay, just with any light color, I'm expecting, you know, maybe a little bit of shrinking. It, you know, I can see my skin through it, but let's just try and put it all the way on and see if we can work with it. Okay, so looking at this one, it is obviously not my color. This is just not. So, you know, getting past the fact that I don't like it. If you like this color, you know, comment below, because I'm open to new colors, but this one I'm just not. I don't know. I'm just not living for it. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing I noticed was right in here is a whole lot of streaking. Okay, so this color is Sugar. This color is, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. Maybe because I'm not feeling it on me. It's just not, I'm just not really living for this one. Alright, you guys, I am back. Lips are primed. So the next color we are going to get into is Happy Hour. I like this color. It's very pretty. I like it. It's amazing to know that it's going to be a matte. And I'm going to let this one sit before I make a determination on how good it is. And let's just see how this one comes out. Oh, it's a pretty color. It's a pretty color. So off the bat, I'm noticing some streakiness, but let's just try and fill it. Try and fill it in. Okay, so it is on, and honestly, you guys, like on camera, it looks better than it does in my mirror. Like, this gives it almost like an orangey look to it, which I'm not too comfortable with. And I wanna, it's almost dry, looking at it, it's almost dry, but I don't know, like this this color is just like nah, I think that first off, the formula is streaky also. Again, these comments, this video is not sponsored. I bought this on my own, you know, so I'm going to give you my opinions if I'm not going to anyway. I mean, whatever. But, I mean, I can see this, like, you know, maybe with a glitter on top or something. I can see it, but it would have to be a glitter that's dense enough to cover the streakiness, because it is rather streaky. I don't know, girl. Lips are primed again. Okay, so I'm getting hyped about these last three because they're darker. So I'm like, I don't know what this thing was going to happen. The next three that I have in front of me are Grudge, Rebel, and a Vixen, right? So quite naturally, the next color I'm going to do is this one. It has that kind of shiny finish, but this one is just absolutely dull. So I'm just kind of curious. Like, I saw this and I'm considering, okay, I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking about it. So when I see lip paint and I see the color, my expectation is that my lip paint is going to be the color that I'm looking at. And that does not always prove to be true. Not an actual garnet red. It's more like has an orange tint to it. But it kind of reminds me of a fingernail polish that my mom used to wear. So I'm like really hyped about this. Ooh, let's see. Oh my God. Now, like this color, it's like a how can I put it? It's like a burnt color. I mean, like naming it Rebel, it kind of holds true to. This is that, you know, take it to the street, get on my bike and roll out. That's what it reminds me of when I see it. So like this color, as it's drying, is holding true. Yeah, I got full lips, so this looks like grown, girl, grown. All right, the lips are back set, and we are on our second to the last lip. So I try not to be like prejudgmental when I see colors like this. Do you see that? Like this is blue and this is like purple. So I'm going to do the blue first. It is called Grudge. Take the wheel. Take the wheel. Whoa. So like off the bat, this color looks like it is like not necessarily just a dark blue, but almost has like a gray look to it. Okay, so this is the best I can do with this color without just like continuously spreading it. I'm gonna tell you what I noticed. I noticed that once I put this on, it did not matter where I put it on. As far as with my lips, it still moved. So I know it's gonna matte and settle down, but I just could not get it to where it would just spread evenly. Alright, so lips are back primed, and they are absolutely ready to all Vixen. Look at that. That is That's a deep color, it really is. But I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I'm scared, but we'll see. Whoa. The color's like, you see me, don't you, girl? Let me go in. Girl, listen, let me tell you something. See this one? Although it's dark, and I'm not a fan of dark lipsticks. See this matte, and it hadn't even dried all the way down yet. I can do this. Like, this is like, it literally went on like butter. I mean, this is paint. This is, you say lip paint? Okay. Vixen, this lip paint, baby. Yes, I'm loving this one. I love it. It just has like this. This is that biker look, or this is that like give you kind of like a almost like a gothy look. You know, I'm loving this color Vixen. Yes, I'm living for this. Elf exfoliator, and I use it in Mint Maniac. I really love it. It's a sugar scrub. Really love this one, and I'll just put on my lip. The dog didn't get a hold of them, so I have all 5 with me. So out of these 5, I am definitely going to tell you that Rebel and, believe it or not, Vixen are probably my favorite. I love these too. They are like so demanding. I love them. Each color has their own personality. It puts me in mind of certain things, and I really enjoy this. So yeah, I mean, if you have opportunity, check out Tattoo Junkee's lip kit set in metallic, or this one, which is the matte. I personally like the matte better. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video is. Alright, I'll see you next time.